chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seyika ngokwanira chirangi ekyo boigo chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Mwansi warigererea nendeni gochiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogo bari tukerigara Jumaine chitaki 15 Ekeonga senchira yowengi mayanda na magomboni gabwatanse mambye yeri tukoria rero ase kinyoruge ikoma kegotoka esa blockation area abo manyanya ewodi ya Nyamaya ebunge West Mugrango chinga kicho mubere w'umusacho yomu yotamanyikaini orusigwa egesimaime asegento osegesime kigetabwati amache korangana no mokonyi bw'umugambi bw'esa application yo asereta Joseph Kinaro nigateba nigo bamanyitiwe igori y'umubere uyu igoramaraga abana bare kogosorense meyo aseboigo atabire kuri esa application yaye nigo abantu wetani babere bagosira asabori ndo wensi olio emwamatumo osoyo mwababore tukurenga beso kina gwa koroboti ose bache weekend semeyo bamanye gosinero uyu
Maria Tangor kwa Joseph Mungare Kinaro ndo mu assistant chief sub location ya Bumanyanya kinyoreka setole gekoro kwa Ikoma kereme sub location ya Bumanyanya location ya West Mugrango Nyamaya division Nyamira South sub county magana ya chagete igoro kere mwana binde byale goetansa bikarora ase ngoroiga chingi chichiroro neli misuli kabangusa bakarangiria chitimu chinde kala chia chete gotema kurigereri bakamochikoranga ime yegesime kikiale metumu negesima lakini macheta iyo ime mbaroche egento ime bunegunia ekagera bakarangerie bakangakirwe simi ngacha togaja no muchifu onega kera tuwajete gotema muntu agaswa guchima ariga bagatema kumureka bakamachikora nabo baroche okugoro kwa muntu eri yakabere ntebie chitimu bia abantu baitonga obogima bwo muntu mbugwenete baigwa masikani aye tebase gotoka ng'ande muntu ogosire egero omonto abeke richiko ase okoboko kwaye ase ekerengererio giokomoita obogima obo tobotige ekero yabeire ng'a amagoso ande akoba eripoti yabekwa yagera omonto ririrwe etambokero kebwenerete na richiko rinyare gokora emirimo yaye.
Omogaka one egachete amagoroba akanyora abanto baichire egasi ane echamoichire sana nero chitegonte ng'ase ina amang'ana niga akong'eta ororo yagera naboka bono mambia nanyorire na abanto baichire gati ndamanya ng'o oyo obekire engoro emening'o
echemara gobankara okorukorwa echiro nyabita nkoigwa ripoti ng'a monto otokire ogwo orutire engoro maria ngasinywa naki omonto agotoka arutire engoro emeni gaitire gosachiete akeruta bono inche egento nkotebia serikali ya bono iga ebeka oborendi kera ase
abanto mbaro bakageire tari oyomo baborete korwa ase ebinyoro ebi ne iga korwa ebinyoro ebi ime na ebinde bire ang'e bono naki gekoera toganyete ekero twarusire korwaria torigererie torore gose no mobo gose naende nonde oretire nere akarutwo
Togo tigana nayo eamate ya Sylvia Kemunto oyoro mworoki wabo ekirasi ya Ikomi gose form 2 ase skuru y'abanyaroka ya St Charles Rwanga ichuni nigo eyesokire na kubolia bakonywe eri bamonyore omunyaruko oyo oborete kurwa sobo korengana na ngina asirieta Milka kwamboka momenyo yibo igoro momenyo nyancho nigo aerera buna nigo amotigete Sylvia nyombari tukore Alhamis korendekera airanete korwa asimirumu yaye yakira ritko tamonyore tororo asamenta na gotebati banya kogosana no mwana oye korende niga mubolire akoromukia asisku
Samalita nchengoro kumilka kwamboka imenyete nyanjo no tamete no mwana oyo na sirite Kemunto ale form 2 ichuni girls ano mwana oyo namutigete nyomba nchengaende gasi yane kama kawaida ilikuwa ni Thursday ngochikoira nangote mwana oite nyomba ngaganya bakabutuko mwana oiteiraneti up to now mwana oitana korekana asari nachitekero mwana oyambolete ngandanga ripoti nyanjwa police station nganda asaba gambi nana matangazo nabege tu kanisa bono nchegento naroche kiabete obokong'u between inche na omwana oyo ne otakore kwenda gotakora buya esukuru naende ngamutebia ase eng'encho otakora buya intagete anare goikaransa osoma atige goikaransa nonye okowatch mono nakobasaini egasi namotebia egento ogokora inwe kende ngeomo ogokora nyomba iga rosia endagera ikaransa chinsa chia okowatch nchirora tari moikaransete all day kowatch intagete otware time omanye ng'a nki giagerete okagoikera iga omwana oyo ekero ngomokwanera ontebia kanya gokwana enarichi are komo lakini timwageti but nilikwana muongeresha
Rituko rero ensi ya Kenya nigo yabwatana n'ensi ngima eri gucengera rituko rebibande eri rimanyikaine buna International Identity Day. Niko bano waziri w'ubureni bw'ime Omoske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen muri wizara y'ubureni bw'ime Dr. Raymond Omoro nabo igo Omoske Belio Kipsang oyo hore omori Butambe ase wizara ya Migration and Citizen Services waika imeye kaunti ya Homa Bay eri gucengera rituko eryo na bose bwaye kora ebikwaro bya jukwaa la usalama. Kwani mambia rero niga Murkomen arwa okowolia gotia saba Kenya nene mwana baikire myaka 15 kwebwatira ebibande asabo arobori abagambi baso hase binyoro na goitona egati y'abantu bari ababwata okoganya nene mwana bari bamenyete no borema baineke buna abantu abo nkonyora bari ebibande nene mwana chinga kitire bakwenda kuliga bokore kurwa serikali banyare gokonyaka.
And we have also our PS for citizen services, immigration and citizen services. And the very reason why he's here is because this is a very important day. It is Global Identification Day. Is it called Identification Day? Yes, Identification Day. Yeah, and this is celebrated globally. And after this, we are going to 1 hour before we start our Jukwaa process to celebrate this National ID Day. There are so many people. It's estimated that over 1 million people in Kenya of adult age. And I'm not talking about those who have just turned 18, 19, 20. I'm saying people who are 30, 40, who have not taken ID. It's estimated that over 1 million people are just living within Kenya without ID. Therefore, they cannot be employed, they can't get share, they cannot vote. There are so many rights they don't exercise and the benefits they don't get from their own country because they don't have national ID. And it's important that we emphasize this fact and ask many Kenyans to work together to make sure that everybody gets their is identified so that they can get right services. The discussion we are going to have with chiefs and assistant chiefs, who are actually the chiefs are the ones who play a critical role in recommending persons for identification, is that this exercise, they must walk around all their locations to identifying these people and helping them access these services, including those who are vulnerable, like persons with disabilities. Some of them are just being hidden by family members and they are not recognized and identified, and they could have as easily benefited from the support that government extends to persons with disabilities.
Shinga kiechechio Murkomen gagikiria ibikorwa byo kuonererwa kwa balikia mang'ana anene mono chinga kichire bare ase emirimo ukwana kuro akaunti ya Homa Bay Murkomen agikire gikora gyakorekana imeye akaunti ya Homa Bay matukoma kega itire abo ase omobiso yomo okora ase akaunti amocherera nabo igokomuguniriria omolikia mang'ana asa tebire nigo ewizara iyo yoboreni bwimera cyo gukora butuki iriko manyabene ekerirete omolikia mang'ana uyo gochando nabo igo no mobiso yo nigara cyo koimukirwa egatambukire getindikeri chiko
attacking journalists. This is the very problem we're dealing with of goons and gangs. And it was a very unfortunate situation that some of government officials have been implicated at the county level. We appreciate the fact that the governor has taken administrative action. And the other enforcement-related actions are ongoing. And as I said earlier, this kind of cooperation is really welcomed when the leaders are recognizing that gangs and goons are not useful for our security and for our development and also for our politics. And we will continue taking very firm action against this. This is not an isolated case for Homa Bay. It's happening across. In Kisii, for example, we were told that even the gangs had a particular place where they pick people and torture them. And so we will be taking very stern legal action, arresting these people and taking them to court. And we continue requesting for cooperation of our judiciary to make sure that they get severest punishment and the process, the trials are expedited so that people can get justice.
Muraibuense Daktari wa Ruto nigate birechine chingaki eserikali etakeire kweneka buna ngokorere abakenya emirimo gose amagenderero. Ruto nigo airera buna nigo babikire siasa kando nababwatanire ne vyama erego change ya ense ya Kenya. Okona imambia rero korwa county ya Kilifi bosio bwigi karona bagachime ense ya Kenya nigateba kirenge kenene babwate no go change ya ense ya Kenya.
Tumesema wakati huu ni wakati wa kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunabadilisha nchi yetu kwa miradi na mipango ya maendeleo. Maneno ya siasa itakuja baadaye. Ama namna gani bwana? Tunaelewana? Tuko pamoja? Maneno ya siasa itakuja 2027. Kwa sasa tumeungana sisi wote, vyama tumeweka kando, mirengo tumeweka kando. Sisi wote tunaungana kwa sababu umoja ni nguvu. Ama namna gani my friends? Ni hivyo sivyo? Si namna hiyo? Ndio mnaona tumesimama hapa sote. Governor yuko hapa. Joho waziri yuko hapa. Mvuria waziri yuko hapa. Mimi niko hapa. Wale wengine wote tuko hapa. Na sisi wote tulisema kutoka Mombasa mnamuona hapa. Unaona huyu waziri yuko hapa. Na sisi zote lengo letu ni moja. Kubadilisha taifa letu la Kenya. Kenya haiwezi kubadilishwa na panganga, na porojo, na hadithi, na hekaya za Abunwasi. Kenya bwana itabadilishwa kwa miradi na maendeleo kama hii. Ama ni aje bwana? Tunaelewana? Kwa hivyo ile ingine yote tutazidi na kuongea sawa sawa na kupanga vile tutasonga mbele kwa pamoja. Kwa hivyo asante. Sasa tuko na mkutano mwingine huko na waegezaji. We have many investors who have come to Kenya. We have the CEO and chairman and president of the Afrexim Bank and all other friends. Tutaenda kufanya mkutano na wao, tuwapange vizuri, tuwaeleze vizuri, ndio sisi tupate nafasi ya kuegeza katika taifa letu, tupange ajira ya hawa vijana, tuendeshe biashara, tuzalishe uchumi, tuondoe umaskini.
Wancho barigereria nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ritkereria Jumaine asenchera yo wengi chengro wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga krasomu no abo imanyererio Kevin Ongeri kore studio kabare nero kone kebuna chibicha na mayo yingo kirachira asenchera yo wekranu bye bye tumira neri tkore Hamis isano na ibere na woigo Ikomi chamarago vanya sa korende akwagate tumira neri tke.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills yuko yabwatuka ucyase abahonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiriye amabati anda unsyalia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale yurengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa bigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bagakora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate no mo corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayo chana Roman Jinko nabo igo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala bunabonelia chako gray, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue nabo igo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwate iga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yega ase nyumba yao. Tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwe kasure asubwango edukenya ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Sha Ceramics netuka iyo yakoni bintu by'ubwagaji au asili lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitangi au nabwo kurose chi company au locks and accessories mbabwate chichogo se toilets ejijire c'echingenjo au nabwo n'ebintu bigutumika se e bathroom mbabwate chi kitchen sinks nabwo ne chi tap babwate bintu bigukora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites